If radium can extend life, maybe it possesses some kind of life energy, and maybe this life energy can be harnessed to create life from nothing. 2 years after Danish's bizarre moth experiment, an Anglo-Irish scientist called John Butler Burke published an even crazier finding. Burke had performed an interesting experiment where he sprinkled some radium salts over some gelatinous beef broth. Importantly, everything had been sterilized beforehand. After a day or so, a strange culture-like growth appeared on the surface, which notably did not show up in the control experiment. Now, this shouldn't have been possible since everything had been kept in a completely sterile environment. It seemed like the radium was creating a strange form of life. Over the next several days, the growth seemed to spread downwards into the broth. When looked at under a microscope, it was clear that these strange growths appeared to look like cells. Over time, these cells grew and even replicated. However, when transferred to a fresh medium, Burke couldn't get a culture to grow like an ordinary microbe would do. They certainly weren't bacteria. He also said that they didn't behave like crystals, since the stoppage of growth at a particular stage of development is a clear indication of a continuous adjustment of internal to external relations, and thus suggests vitality. Burke named these strange radium birth structures radiobes, and he believed that these radiobes existed somewhere on the border of living and non-living. Maybe they were evidence of an ancestor to life as we know it. How amazing is that? Why didn't we follow this path further?